we are promoting new installations already with hybrid inverters. That cuts costs, but we can also provide energy storages for already existing sites with standard on-grid inverter. We provide such a cost-effective solution to boost the energy storage as a whole.
Time for our next guest, who is Piotr Halek from FoxESS Global. Piotr, I pass the voice to you. Share what you have prepared with us today.
Thank you very much. Hello and hi. I came today to talk about FoxESS as a company, to show you what we have, what our plans are for the next year and the next few years even. So let's start. Without further ado, Fox has been established in 2019 by Mikhail Zhu with a group of shareholders who were eager to build a company to share renewable energy with the rest of the people. They were trying to establish such a device that can be mass-produced cheaply and to provide as much useful energy for the customer as it can. So yeah, we've started our company manufacturing on-grid inverters mainly for the local market. They were good. The market bought the product, and then research and development started for the more sophisticated devices. And we are here right now. We have developed such inverters, hybrid inverters, with batteries, of course, using the newest technology and the best components to provide sustainable energy for the use of the world generally. As you've said, we are a global company, so we are thinking globally. Our workforce is mainly technical research and development employees, engineers. They were sourced from different companies around the world, from the PV industry. So we are a young company, but with a very long experience in the PV field. That encouraged us to try to bite the commercial and industrial market for the next year, as our products were good enough to be seen as a real player on the market. Our research and development is the focus of our company. We are still trying to resolve many issues concerning the PV world, as well as we try to provide a technological means to overcome some legislative, let's say, obstacles around the world. Still, the PV industry isn't in such a bloom that it's easily considered as a part of the global energy market. We have many research and development centers because we also deliver on-grid inverters, hybrid inverters. We develop our own cells. We have a very big help in one of our main shareholders. It's a Tsingshan group. It's a real giant of steel manufacture and resource gathering. That enables us to manufacture our devices and our products in a vertical chain of manufacture. What that mean? That means that the resource needed to manufacture our products is gathered and reforged in our own company, in our own technological circle, which enables us to provide a cost-effective product with the best components and the best knowledge and cutting-edge technology to the customer. So that's our aim, and for future, we are still aiming to be such a company, to be on the cutting edge of technology in the PV systems.
Sorry, you said you are developing and producing string inverters, hybrid inverters, and cells. It's PV cells?
Well, no, battery cells.
Okay.
We are manufacturing also energy storage solutions. So we invest heavily into cell development.
Okay.
Right now we are using LFP chemistry only in our batteries.
And why is that?
Because we believe that this is the future of the battery systems right now. This chemistry is best suited for large, medium-sized energy storages. This chemistry is very safe. We haven't got any accident, catastrophic failures, or we haven't got any such incident with this chemistry.
Okay.
So we believe that the safety of those energy storages that will be used is very important. There is a really large amount of energy stored in this chemistry, so it must be safe. It must be resilient to weathering. It must be stable to provide a long lifespan of such a device. So yeah, we are mainly aiming in this chemistry. Of course, we are trying with new and newly developed aspects of battery chemistry, but still we need to test everything just to be sure our standard is maximum safety for our customers.
Sure. Thank you. So let's move on.
Of course. This is our pride and joy. This is our Fox Wenzhou inverter factory. This is the largest independent inverter factory in Asia. This place provides us with the bulk of our equipment. We have big plans because this branch of market is growing rapidly. We think that we will expand even more in this year. We are aiming at 30% of growth in the means of energy storage systems. Generally, after installing on-grid inverters, right now it's the right time to maybe encourage customers to install energy storages for a real benefit of getting more energy consumed, energy produced locally, consumed locally. So it's the best we can offer because it speeds up the economy, provides cheap, accessible energy during time when the PV system is off, so you are not tied with your energy usage with the sun shining on the sky. That's a big big selling point, but it also boosts the energy production economy greatly.
Sure.
As I've said, this is our vertical manufacturing chain. Just to visualize how the process is going, we've used an existing type of that process that Thinshan Group already made, and this procedure is being perfect for us. It's being perfect for us. It's providing best results, best quality, and the most effective price for that matter. That group is also our main anchor on the market. It's a really big company, noted on the list of 500 of the biggest companies worldwide. It's in a half of the list, but still, that means that we have a real good economical anchor in the market, and this anchor is providing us with the knowledge and resources to develop even better. So we are very grateful for that. Those are products what we've already put on the market. Those products are grid-tied inverters. We are right now aiming at the middle scale of the PV industry. We've already developed small inverters with one phase, one string. We've developed middle inverters, 2-string, 1 phase, 2-string, 3 phases. Right now, it's the right time to try to buy the commercial and industrial market. For this year, we've prepared R series, our first player on big farms and large installations, aiming at 100 kilowatts of power.
Per single device?
Yeah, per one device. Those devices all new devices that FoxESS manufactures can be joined into a one parallel system. Right now it's up to 10 units, so you can buy a system tailored to your needs. If you need a 150 kilowatts of power, you can easily achieve that with perhaps 2 devices. You can choose one device, one central inverter, or you can choose distributed inverters throughout a bigger site that manufacture energy for you. It's up to the customer's needs. We are to suffice them. Right now, we are promoting new installations already with hybrid inverters. That cuts costs, but we can also provide energy storages for already existing sites with a standard on-grid inverter. We provide such a cost-effective solution to boost the energy storage as a whole. We've sold and installed many thousands of on-grid inverters. Those sites will work even better with energy storage. They will earn their money earlier than without it. So it's a nice addition for a customer.
So your on-grid inverter, if I understand you correctly, has input for a battery?
Well, no. On-grid inverters are on-grid inverters.
Okay.
So they are mainly for energy producing, manufacturing energy. For energy storage, we propose an AC charger.
Okay.
It's a device connected directly into your grid, into which grid an on-grid inverter is already putting the energy. So from that grid, this device senses how much energy is free to be harvested into the energy storage, harvests that energy, and when the customer needs that energy and the on-grid system is too low on power, this unit kicks in and provides the needed energy from the energy storage. Which can be based on a few types of batteries. And those few types of batteries have been proven, like our HV25 Myra battery. But we have a few new contesters. Sorry.
Spokojnie, bo powtórzymy to.
Dobra.
Pani proszę sobie przypomnieć słowo i zacznijmy od tego zdania.
Contender.
Okej, dobra, Mikołaj, zacznij od Ciebie, zaczniemy, tak, od Twojego pytania o to, co teraz było mowa.
Czekaj, o co się pytałem? O co się pytałem? Ja nie zadawałem pytania.
Nie zadawałeś pytania.
Nie zadawałem pytania.
Chyba tam było
Dobra.
jakieś.
We have
Poczekajcie. Odliczę Was. 3, 2, 1, proszę.
we've got 3 types of batteries right now on the Polish market. We are developing the 4th type. 2 of them, like HV25 Myra and HV2600, design has been proved, and it's and has been successful. But our development team designed a new type of battery that is even bigger than our standard HV25 Myra module. Is stackable, so doesn't need any enclosure like a Myra battery, which has been rack mounted. Also, we have EP5 and EP11 battery on the way. Those are our propositions for the commercial market. Those will be large batteries designed to be used for larger units, larger needs, like smaller company, like bigger house even.
So what size, what capacity does it have? Will it have?
Well, we will have a few flavors of that, of the ECS battery. Those will be available in 4 different sizes to pick from. Every module will have 2 and 8, 2 and 9 kilowatts of capacity, the first type. The second type will have 4 and 8 or 4.3 kilowatt hours of capacity. But this is for one module. Those modules are stackable, and the master module already have BMS and the battery inside it. So the montage of that system is proposed to be done by one person, which is quite revolutionary, because well, LFP chemistry isn't light. Those batteries can be really heavy. So
yeah, my bag knows it from experience.
Yeah. So if you have an opportunity to mount such modules by yourself, that's the most cost-effective way to do that, because you cut costs of the other technical guys, installers that have to be on the site just to help you to install that battery, to properly do the cabling. With the ECS, you don't need even to think about the cabling, because there is no cabling. Those modules are stacked one upon another and connected through a built-in connector. You don't need to do anything, and you end up with, I believe, one of the biggest of energy storages that can be obtained through a use of a home-hold device,
Which is
H3, and our new proposition is H3 Pro. H3 is a hybrid system, three-phase hybrid system, capable of connecting to the grid, to your PV array, and to your batteries. H3 Pro, of course, will do all that H3 can, but it will be a bigger brother, especially designed for large commercial units, large houses that need a lot of energy, because they will have nominal powers up to 30 kilowatts. But that 30 kilowatts is a one thing. Very powerful trackers are another, because they can be connected with the newest of PV modules. They can withstand 32 amperes, So it's a pretty hefty current. But the really interesting point is that it can connect to two BMSs. So that's a revolution, because all the other devices can have one BMS, and that BMS can connect to
some
pack of batteries. Right now we have two BMSs that are able to connect to two stacks of ECS batteries. This in sum is above 80 kilowatt hours of capacity. So that's a really nice capacity of such a bank. Even if you think of EV charging, the usual small EV car probably has between 70 or 80 kilowatt hour battery capacity. So you can think that this energy storage can output a one electric car fully charged, depending on the weather, of course. But still, you can charge your EV car freely from one device
during the night from the energy from the day.
Yeah, exactly. And if you can imagine that you have a system of many such units connected in parallel, that we are facing a really big amount of energy that we can reflow as we imagine, because after harvesting that energy from the PV array, it's up to the customer what to do with that energy. He may sell it, he may use it, he may charge his electric car with it. That's up to him. We are just proud that he will use our device to do that. Of course, our devices, our hybrids can work fully off-grid, so you don't even need to connect the grid to them. If you have such a site, you can install a H3 working in off-grid mode indefinitely. So it's a hybrid off-grid solution that we propose. The bigger brother of H3 Pro is R series. This is mainly designed for farms, for bigger plants that will use a lot of inverters. We've tried to incorporate everything we've designed good into the device. So I believe it will be another good player, another hit on the market.
I can see that there is DC and AC SPD over voltage protection inside R series. Are they replaceable?
Yeah, they are on a board that can be replaced without taking care of all the unit weight. So you can do it on site without any hassle.
Okay.
You can exchange anything if
something happens. It fuses, so it breaks when it works.
Yeah, accident happens.
That's the point of doing it, of having it.
Exactly. I would like to present you our newest product that we think will bridge the gap between the medium to small inverters and large R series commercial inverters. That's a U series. You can think about this inverter like a small farming equipment. This is mainly designed to be installed within a plant done on ground that have an AC connection, probably a longer way away. So you are harvesting DC power through the U series, sending it without losses through AC to your switchboard.
Mhm.
To that switchboard, you have connected AC series charger with a proper energy storage, and here you can harvest the energy without the need of exposing the batteries to the weather. Generally, we live in Poland, so we have winters. During winters, well, no battery is happy when it's cold. Even the newest batteries based on the LFP chemistry technology is prone to cold, so it's good always to keep the batteries in the building in some proper environment for them to just work.
Sure. I see that U-Series has PAD recovery integrated, so it slows down or reverse the PAD effect on models. Do you have any knowledge how strong it works, how slows down degradation of models thanks to that technology?
Well, we are still researching that, but we've made some research about that. The PAD on the R series, on the U series, I haven't met such research yet. Slowed down the degradation of about 0.5% to the main weathering of the module. It's not a full recovery of a module,
Mhm.
but it also is a really helpful to prove the installation for the years.
Mhm.
Those modules will be taken care of. What will extend their life expectancy about 3 years, I believe,
With that,
with that PAD recovery technology.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, that's a nice addition. I would like to show you what we have prepared for this year, because we have many new products for the 2024. We are also rushing the USA, so you can see that US EMS box is being designed. That is maybe not interesting for our European colleagues, but this research is also for developing a European EMS box to know what Dobra. Czekaj. Zgubiłem wątek zupełnie.
Mhm. Cofam.
Pomóc?
Nie, zgubiłem wątek.
Musimy trochę przyspieszać, nie? Bo czas nam się nieuwaga nie
Jasne.
kończy.
To rozciągnęliśmy to bardzo długo to rozciągnęliśmy, więc mówimy, zostały 4 slajdy z tego co widzę.
4 slajdy? Dobra.
Nie mów o tym EMS-ie.
Nie będę mówił o tym EMS-ie.
Battery storage, CNI, second generation, mikroinwertery i lądujemy, nie?
Jasne.
Uwaga, 3, 2, 1, proszę.
Let me show you what we've prepared for the 2024. For the first quarter of 2024, we've prepared a launch for our V series inverters. Those may not be so interesting for our European market, but we are, as I've said, a global company, so we are trying to suffice all the markets. Also, for the US market, we are trying to develop EMS box to enforce operator control over the site of our inverters, of farming generally inverters. In the middle of the year, we will launch our first commercial batteries. That will be a thing to see.
Mhm.
Those will be large containment units that will be providing power for not small company, but companies. They can be, of course, stacked to give an opportunity to provide a district energy storage. Of course, we have larger plans, but we are trying to go there step by step. We will try to develop larger industrial grade energy storages basing on our cells. Right now, the X5 battery will see launch in the middle of the year. After that, we will launch a microinverter family of inverters.
Do you have any information about this X5 storage battery? Because I'm interested in that product as well.
Sure. I can tell you for sure that it will be based on the LFP chemistry and on our own cells. BMS is already developed, so this unit is undergoing tests right now. Just after those tests, if they will be positive, the unit will hit the market.
Okay.
For the end of the year, we are planning to launch our AIO version 2. This will be an opportunity for smaller clients to have a fully capable hybrid system with energy storage and energy management system in one device, in one chassis that will be easily concealed, that will be looking nicely and providing the power for the small to large house.
Not this side.
Not the slide. Okay. B series will be a very interesting product for me because it will have 4 trackers that will harvest energy on farms, but those smaller ones. They will have, of course, AFCI function and the string monitoring, string current monitoring engage as an option. As you've said, those middle to large inverters will have PID recovery technology in every unit. V-Series isn't different in that matter. It will be a really nice addition for our products. Our EMS box,
It's basically for United States market, as I can see. So
yeah. It's focused right now on United States legislature and habits of customers that use such systems. For Europe, we've already have a device to do such functions, but we don't have such device for United States. Also, no other third company is placing such a product on the market in the States. We think that this will have a good, well, maybe not example, but this will show what we can do in Europe and what we can expect, what we can build into that device that will be good for our European customers. Right now, this device can operate up to 30 devices, so up to 30 inverters with energy storages. You can communicate with those devices through the hub like this, but also energy operator can see and integrate its own systems with your plant. This will be, I believe, the future of PV systems, generally of distributed energy systems, that they will be aggregated through an operator, probably through the Sunspec protocol, into a one large energy grid that will work, well, maybe not flawlessly, but this is the target we are aiming for. Of course, you can control the energy output. You can control the inverter's behavior through that device. So it will be a really nice, another real nice addition for our company.
Okay, thank you very much, Piotr, for your presentation, for you being here. And